In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Measure tool, also known as the Ruler tool, in TradingView. This tool is incredibly useful for analyzing price movement, measuring price changes, and gaining a better understanding of market trends. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to locate, select, and utilize this tool with ease. To kick things off, let's locate the Measure tool. You will find the ruler icon conveniently placed on the left-hand side of your TradingView chart. It's designed to be easily accessible so that you can quickly conduct your analysis without any hassle. Once you've spotted the ruler icon, the next step is to select it. You can do this by simply clicking on the icon, which will activate the tool for use. Alternatively, if you're a fan of shortcuts, you can just press the Shift key on your keyboard. This little trick will not only save you time, but also streamline your workflow as you navigate through different charts. Now, with the tool activated, you're ready to start measuring. Begin by clicking on the chart at your desired starting point. Hold down the mouse button, and as you do so, drag your cursor to your intended ending point. The beauty of this process is its simplicity, allowing you to quickly and accurately measure movement between 2 points on the chart. Once you've established both points, you'll notice a shaded box forming in between them. This box is more than just a visual aid, it's where the magic happens. The measurement details will be displayed to the right of this box and will include crucial information such as the total price change in points, percentage, and pips. By having this data at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions based on tangible metrics. Using the Measure tool can be even more efficient by embracing a couple of additional tips and tricks. For instance, you can quickly activate this tool by holding the Shift key and clicking directly on the chart, a handy shortcut that many seasoned traders rely on. Furthermore, there's also the Price Range tool, which offers similar functionality. This tool can display price movement in pips, points, and percentage, which you can utilize by setting 2 points on the chart. It's important to understand the distinction between pips and points. A pip, short for percentage and point, is the standard smallest unit of price movement and is typically the 4th decimal place for most currency pairs. Points, on the other hand, might represent this unit or have a different value depending on the specific asset you're dealing with. The Measure tool conveniently shows you both values, providing clarity and precision in your measurements. With these steps and tips, you should now have a clear understanding of how to effectively use the Measure tool on TradingView. Thanks for watching and happy trading.